Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the vowels and the consonants worksheets. So let's start the video. What are vowels? So after 26 alphabets, there are 5 alphabets A, E, I, O, U and they are called vowels, and the remaining 21 alphabets are called consonants. So vowels are the only letters that are said with an open mouth. So try it out after me. A, E, I, O, U. Generally, LKG students are taught vowels and consonants so that they can start reading 2-3 letter words. And to read 3-letter word, it is very important to understand the concept of vowels. They come very handy when we introduce CVC words to our kids. So it is always advisable to ask your kids about the vowels, like on daily basis. You can ask your kid how many vowels are there and tell me the sounds of the vowel. You can ask them orally multiple times about the vowels, and in this way they will memorize it well. So these are the free printable worksheets to get the students thinking about their vowels and the consonants, and using the phonic rules that they already know, have your child sound out each word and decide what goes in the space. So let's start what is there in the worksheets. So this is the first activity. This is color the vowels in yellow and the consonants in red. So in this sheet, the kid needs to identify the vowels and color them in yellow and the consonants in the red color. So I have given a mix set including both vowels and the consonants in upper and the lower case. In this way, they will memorize both the cases of the letters, upper and the lower. The kid has to write that whether it is a consonant or it is a vowel in small circle. Like this is the circle, so they have to write it here. Like the first letter is L. Hence, they will write what is L? L is a consonant. So they will write here C, and then they have to color the consonants in red. So they will color it red like this. So they will color the full circle. Then the next letter is A. This is the alphabet. So what is A? A is a vowel. So they will write here V, and they will take a yellow color and they will color it yellow. In this manner, they will be completing this full worksheet. Like I again is a vowel. So they will color it like this and write V. So this is the way they have to do it. So this is activity number 2. In this activity, they need to color the correct beginning sound of the each image. So in this activity, the kids needs to identify the image and then they need to tell the correct beginning sound. For this activity, they can either circle the letter or they can even color it, whatever you feel like doing with them. So it's totally up to you. In the first box, there is a pic of cat. So I'm assuming that they already know the phonics here, and with the help of that, they will recognize that the beginning sound of cat is K. So K is the sound of alphabet C. So they will circle it. This is C. Next image is of B. So the beginning sign of B is Ba. So they can either circle it like this, or if you want, they can also do like this. Whatever you want to do with your children, you can do with them. It's up to you. The third image is of umbrella. So the sound A is the sound of alphabet U. So they will circle U. In this way, they have to complete all the 9 boxes. Like this is a dog. So the sound is dog, da. Da is the sound of alphabet D. Yeah. So like this way, they have to complete this full worksheet, and this is mainly help in phonic to identify the vowels and the consonants. So now comes the third activity. The third activity is to complete the words by filling the vowel sound. So in this worksheet, the kid has to recognize the image and identify the missing alphabets, which is a vowel. So this activity is a good practice of phonic as well. In this sheet, there are total 9 boxes which has different image, and it covers all the 5 vowels. So the first image is of cat. So the child will say k, a, t, a. A is the sound of A. So they have to write here A. I have written in capital, but they have to write it in small cursive. So C-A-T. So this is the way they have to do it. So the second image is of B. It's B-A-A, B. So they have to write here E. So in the same manner they will pronounce and complete the full worksheet. Like this is nut, na, t, is the sound of U. So this will cover all the 5 vowels that there are there, A, E, I, O, U. So now comes the fourth worksheet. It is O in the middle. So in this worksheet, the kid has to guess the name of the image that is drawn here and has to write it down in this box. And I have written O in the middle. So in the first image, like you can see, there is O written in the image in the center of the grid. So the first image is of the box. You have to ask your kid that what are you seeing here. So this is the image of a box on the left hand side, and this is the image of a fox on the right hand side. So now what they have to do is they have to write B, O, X, and this is fox, F, O, X. So like this they have to complete this grid. This is very good brain boosting exercise for the kids. This will help them to memorize the spelling as well. So if we see this, the second pic, in the second image there is a dog drawn on the left hand side, and there is the image of a log which is drawn on the right hand side. So what they will do, dog. So they will say D, O, G, and log, it's L, O, G. So in the last pic, if you will see, there is a hot cup. So it is hot, and on the right hand side the image is of a pot. So H-O-T, hot, and P-O-T, pot. So this activity is kind of a scramble game which we have played in our childhood. It was used to be my favorite game. So where kids used to learn to join the words. This is a very good activity and I would highly recommend you to do this with your child. So now this is the fifth worksheet. In this activity, the title is look at the picture and circle the first letter for each image. So in this activity, the child has to look at an image on the left hand side and recognize the sound of the picture, and after identifying the sound they have to circle the first letter of that pic. So the first image, this is a fan, so the sound is fan, fa. The letter which is coming is F, so they will circle the F like this. Now let's see the second pic. It is ship, ship, sh. So it is a blending, but the sound is of S. So they will circle S. The third pic is of watch. The sound when you say watch is wa, watch. So wa is the sound of W. So this is the way they have to complete this full worksheet, and this is mainly for the consonants. So now come the sixth activity. It is filling the missing vowels for each of the words given below. So in this worksheets there are 12 boxes which is different images in it. So let's start one by one. So as you can see that the first image is a of box. So the child has to fill in the middle alphabet. So if they use a phonic rule, it is b, o, x, o is the sound of O. So they will fill it O in a uppercase. Earlier I have shown you where they have to write it in a lower case or in the cursive case, but now here they have to write it in the uppercase. So the second image is of fan. So how they will say f, a, n, a is the sound of A. So they will write here A. Third, it is r, g, rug. So is the sound of U. Now the fourth one is tag, t, a, g, a is the sound of A. Now, m, g, is the sound of U. Now, this is 10, t, a, n, a is the sound of E. So, mainly this worksheet is the practice of the vowels worksheet, and they have to identify the missing alphabet, that is the middle one, and that is specifically a vowel. So, in this worksheet they will not only practice the vowel, but they will also practice the phonic activity, which is very good for the child. So, now this comes the 7th activity. It is match the words with the picture. This is a very easy activity, and I have written all the 5 vowels on the left hand side, as you can see A, E, I, O, U in a jumbled position, and there are some images on the right hand side. So, what your kid has to do is that they will match the vowels with an image. So, the first picture is of umbrella, and when the child will speak umbrella, the sound which is coming is a, umbrella. So, they will match it with U like this. So, now if we see the second image is of octopus, o. So, the sound is coming will match to O. The third image, it is and. So, they will match it with A. Now, the fourth image is of I. So, they will match it with E. And the last image is of ice cream, I. So, they will match it with like this. So, they have to do, this is a very simple activity, and your kids will enjoy also. So, make them do this. So, now comes the 8th and the last activity of today's video, and the title is to write the alphabet that makes the beginning sound of each image. So, in this activity mainly consists of consonant sound. So, the first pick is of tomato. As you can see, this is a tomato. Your child will definitely recognize that this is a tomato. So, they will say tomato, t. So, what sound is coming? It's coming t, and t is the sound of the alphabet T. So, they will write here T. The second image is of a carrot, k. So, they will write here C. Like this, the third image is of onion, O, onion. So, they will write here O. Now, the fourth image is of banana, ba is the sound of B. So, they will write here B. Now comes the fifth, and this is the image of a kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit, K. So, they will write here K. And then comes the last image, it is of a pineapple, P. So, they will write here P. So, like this way they have to complete this full worksheet, and they will also remember the fruits and the vegetables through this form. So, that's it for today's video. I have shown you 8 worksheets in today's video, and I will also provide the links in the description box, so that if you guys want, you can download it for your future reference, and you can start doing this activity with your child at home. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment box if you like this video and what you like in this video, which is your favorite worksheet. And if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed my video yet, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the video. Till then, see you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.